From the world over, they came together. Global energy leaders, for the first time, to witness firsthand the leading edge of carbon capture and storage technology in Saskatchewan at Boundary Dam. Today, SaskPower is building the coal-fired power generation project of the future, capable of reducing CO2 emissions by up to 90%.
Boundary Dam project's very unique. It's the world's first post-combustion capture on any coal plant in the world. So it's going to set a new standard really for power utilities to actually clean up coal or have low emission fuel to generate low cost power. And we're finding so much that we've learned from the construction that it's time to share it with the rest of the world.
A plant like this has never been commissioned ever before. So lessons learned of commissioning a carbon capture plant, it'll be first in the world.
This really is a very significant project. It's on the world stage.
We are gaining knowledge that's not only going to help us out, but it's going to help the rest of the world. It's not just building a plant and then saying, there you go. We're learning stuff that would benefit the world.
We've packaged up this project both from a standpoint of the financial and business side, but also from the technology side to produce an economic outcome.
So what we decided to do was build a consortium. Now, to share the knowledge, we're going to charge a membership fee. And with that membership fee, we'll do three things. We will generate reports, we'll do public acceptance of coal, which is hugely important globally, and we'll do research.
The knowledge that SaskPower is generating really and willing to share through this consortium effort is the most powerful method that we can envision to accelerate CCS.
I think it's critical. It really is the tipping point of old technology meets new, of old regulatory requirements meets a new global requirement when we're in a 400 ppm world that requires massive infrastructure changes to address our global warming challenges. Critical.
And the new technology you'll see at Boundary Dam is energy sustainability. With, yes, affordability and reliability and reality.
SaskPower's Boundary Dam project involves transforming a 50-year-old coal-fired power plant into a model of environmental sustainability. The first in the world to fully integrate post-combustion CCS technology with commercial-scale coal-fired generation. The project is on schedule for commercial operation by April 2014.
It's the first project in the world. It's the only place you can go and actually have a look at a real power plant that's going to have CCS now.
We cannot show enough, I think, also to the world that these things are happening, and that is not some kind of fictional technology that needs to be tested in the laboratory. No, this is about delivering it now at scale, and this is where it's happening.
很直观的能够感觉到这个工程整个的进展。那么从现场的情况看呢，我们萨省对这项工作的大力的这种推动工作，我们也很震惊。
You can read about it in books, you can read reports, you can do everything, but ultimately it's actually talking to the real people and saying, look, okay, this is what it said. Really, what did you do, you know? What did you think about that? How did you get there?
With the extensive knowledge base SaskPower has gained from this project, preliminary estimates now suggest that the next carbon capture project could be built for 20 or 30% less.
Most governments are backing away from doing research, so anybody that's interested in learning how to build these plants cheaper, which we can show them that you can maybe have 30% savings on the next plant, and that's significant on a $1 billion project.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is only one way we can square this circle of slashing greenhouse gases while ensuring economic growth continues, and that's the technological answers that we seek, and a big part of that absolutely is CCS. We simply can't get the job done without it, because coal is not going away.